This year is a milestone for ASEAN and Russia as we celebrate 30 years of fruitful dialogue relationship, which was elevated to a strategic partnership in 2018. I am very much encouraged by our growing cooperation across the three pillars of Asia. In the face of complex and diverse challenges, closer engagement between the parties is indeed the way forward. The COVID-19 pandemic is a continuing crisis with profound consequences for our societies and economies. I thank Russia for supplying the Philippines with much-needed Sputnik V vaccines. We are also pleased with Russia's resumption of training courses of Asia's health experts in Vladivostok. This will help us boost our capacity to address and prevent future outbreaks. The Philippines fully supports the adoption of the ASEAN-Russia Plan of Action 2021 to 2025, aimed at strengthening cooperation in disaster management, cybersecurity, research and development, and innovation. We must ensure its effective implementation to bolster post-pandemic recovery and enhance our resilience against pandemic. We have designated 2022 as the year of scientific and technical cooperation. Let us maximize this opportunity to advance innovation for growth in the region. Your Majesty, Excellencies, the Philippines welcomes Russia's renewed commitment to work with ASEAN in countering the illegal drug problem and in the promoting of peace and prosperity for the peoples of Asia Pacific, Indian Ocean region, and Greater Eurasia. Russia's efforts to deepen defense engagement through the ADMMM Plus is likewise valued. We support Russia's co-chairmanship of the ADMMM Plus Experts Working Group on Counter-Terrorism for the cycle 21 to 2024. All these important initiatives add greater value to our strategic partnership. Let me welcome Cambodia as coordinator of Asia-Russia-Pacific relations for a period of 2021 to 2024. I am confident that our strategic partnership will further prosper the greater benefit of our peoples under Cambodia's stewardship.